Hey guys, welcome to my CS50x final project. I've chosen the web track and I've made a Flask application using Spotify's API called SpotiTracker. So this is the homepage. The first thing you'll see is your top tracks and your top artists at various time ranges. And if you're playing music, you also see what you're playing at the top. So if you open up Spotify and start playing a song, it will then show you what you're playing. So if you press next track, it will go to the next song. So it's gone to the next song now. You can go back as well. And then if you close the app, it will then stop showing what you're playing. So we can change the time ranges here. We've also got email notifications. So every time artist you like, found any artist that you've had a song that you've liked from, whenever they release new music, you'll get an email update. So if you look at some examples of this, so over the last few days I've been testing this out. So these are some of the songs that are released that I would like. And it also adds it to a Spotify playlist just so that you can see it a lot easier. So called SpotiTracker, and it will add all the songs that you like. And then we've got a recommended tab. So initially just generates random recommendations. You can add any artist or track URI. So we can go to any song. We can get the URI like this, share, copy Spotify URI, and then it will generate recommendations based off that track or that artist. So these are some tracks that it thinks I may like. We can then go to statistics. So it says I have 3,112 songs in my saved library. If you like more songs, you can load them all in, and then you can get audio analysis of them. This takes a while, so I'm not going to redo this. It's saved in the SQL database. But this is the audio analysis of all my songs, so about a 72.5% danceability on average. But you can also get the audio analysis of a specific track. So if I just paste the track we used previously, we'll see that it has a danceability of 87.4%, which is above my average, but a lower energy. And it's less loud than my average song. So yeah, that is my Flask application. I hope you like it.